Hi, my name is Kate, and today we'll explore how climate change is reshaping tourism destinations with a focus in the Philippines. Tourism plays a vital role in the Philippine economy, contributing billions of pesos each year. However, rising temperatures, extreme weathers, and environmental changes are threatening the country's natural beauty and tourism industry. Let's dive in and explore how climate change is affecting these destinations and what we can do to protect them. What is climate change? Climate change refers to the long-term alteration of temperature and weather patterns, mainly due to human activities like burning fossil fuels, deforestation, and industrial pollution. In the Philippines, the effects of climate change are particularly severe because it is an archipelago with many coastal communities that are highly vulnerable to rising sea levels and typhoons. There are lots of possible impacts on tourism destinations. First, natural attractions are disappearing, extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and seasonal tourism changes. The Philippines is home to stunning coral reefs, such as those Tubata Reefs Natural Park and a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These reefs are experiencing coral bleaching due to rising ocean temperatures and ocean acidification. If this continues, it could lead to the collapse of marine ecosystem, affecting diving and snorkeling tourism. The Philippines experiences an average of 20 typhoons annually, but climate change has made these storms more intense and destructive. Super Typhoon Haiyan Yolanda in 2013 devastated the tourism industry in Tacloban and surrounding areas, causing massive infrastructure damage and loss of life. Frequent storms disrupt travel plans and damage hotels, resorts, and other tourism infrastructure. Coastal destinations like Boracay, Palawan, and Siargao are at risk of erosion and flooding due to rising sea levels. In some areas, beaches are shrinking, reducing the appeal of tourists and affecting local livelihoods that depends on beach tourism. Even destinations like Baguio, known as the summer capital of the Philippines, are experiencing changes in weather patterns, with warmer temperatures affecting the region's cool climate appeal. This could impact the influx of tourists seeking a cooler escape during the summer months. Boracay Island, famous for its white sand beaches, Boracay has already undergone a massive environmental rehabilitation to address pollution and over-tourism. Now, rising sea levels and more frequent typhoons pose new threats to the island's future as a top tourist destination. Palawan, often referred to as the last frontier of the Philippines. Palawan's coastal areas and islands are vulnerable to rising sea levels and extreme weather. Tourism in places like El Nido and Coron depends heavily on the natural environment, which is increasingly at risk. Solutions and adaptation. Tour operators and resorts in the Philippines are beginning to adopt sustainable practices such as eco-friendly accommodations, waste management, and responsible tourism guidelines. For example, the so-called Save Siargao initiative encourages eco-friendly tourism to preserve the island's natural beauty. The Philippine government has implemented programs like the Coral Triangle Initiative and the National Climate Change Action Plan to protect marine biodiversity and coastal communities. In Boracay, the government continues to enforce environmental regulations to ensure sustainable tourism. Local communities are being empowered to participate in ecotourism and conservation projects. For instance, in Apo Island, a community-led marine sanctuary has helped protect coral reefs while providing sustainable livelihoods through ecotourism. In conclusion, climate change is a significant threat to a tourism destination in the Philippines, from coral reefs to beaches and mountain resorts. But with sustainable practices, government action, and community involvement, it's possible to protect these beautiful places for future generations. Thank you for watching, and remember, when you travel, choose eco-friendly options and help preserve the natural wonders of the Philippines.